How to change password on Discord. Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. In today's video I'm going to show you that how you can change your password, your current password on Discord. So guys, if you think that your account has been hacked or somebody have your Discord password and now you want to change it with any reason that you have and you want to change the password, so how are you going to do it? So please watch the video till the end, and by the end you will know that how you can change your password on Discord. So guys, once you're logged into your Discord application, the next thing that you need to do is to tap on your profile, and you will find it on your Android devices right at the bottom right corner. So you need to tap on that one, and here as you can see there is the user setting, and just below the user setting you will find the option my account. So you need to tap on my account. So once you tap on my account, here as you can see your username here, your email address, the phone number that you entered while creating the account, and then just below that you will find the option change password. So you need to tap on change password, but here as you can see you need to put your current password and then you need to type in the new password. So guys, you should know that what is your current password. After putting your current password, then you need to type in the new password and then your password will be changed. But if you forget your current password, so how you can retrieve that password to change into a new password? So guys, you will find the link in the description below where you forgot your Discord password and how you can get it back. I already have a video on that and you can find the link in the description below, but here I will just type in my current password and just to tell you that how I can change it. So guys, I just put my current password and now I will type in the new password. So guys, I typed in the new password which I want, and then I will tap on the icon here which appears on the screen, and once I tap on, as you can see, my account password has been successfully changed. So guys, this is all it takes to change your password on Discord application. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.